I'm here from Anne's Quilts and Scrap Bag, and I like to read, and so I thought it would be fun to create some fun gifts for my reading friends. I belong to a book club, and just something simple. These could also be used as teacher gifts, or if you're giving a book, you could include it with the gift. But these I'm just calling my bookmarks with a message. I've added a message in salvage. So thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make a scrappy quilted bookmark with a message, what you will need is some crumb fabric, a back, some batting scraps, and then some selvages. So to get started, I just cut this batting scrap. It's about 2 1/4 by just over 6, and I've done the same thing with the background. Then I'm going to take my crumb fabric. I want it to be 6 inches and about 2 1/4. It can be a little bit bigger because I'm going to trim it all up at the end. So here's what we have. We're just going to layer this. And I'm going to take my selvage, and I've folded it down so it just says the words that I want there. Then I don't have a raw edge here, and I'm going to stitch that onto all 3 layers of my bookmark. Once I get my selvage message sewn on, then I'm just going to top stitch around here a generous 1/4 inch all the way around. And you're going to take a rotary cutter that has the pinking blade on it. We're going to go 1/8 of an inch from our seam here, and we're just going to give this a fun decorative edge. And we'll do that all the way around the edge of our bookmark. And you end up with this cute bookmark. Fun way to use up batting scraps, and your salvages. Just mix and repeat. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.